Hi, it's Charlie here again at Partickhill Station with another unboxing, and this one, it says stereo speakers, Sony 2 of 2, but that's not what's in there. I saw this ad on Facebook Marketplace and it had a British Locomotive in it, a Hornby. So I made arrangements, went to meet the seller, and I had said to him beforehand, are you selling the stuff separately? And he said no, one price for everything. So let's just have a look and see what is in here. So there is the Hornby Patriot class, Duke of Sutherland. It looks pretty clean, and I'll get it out on the layout. What I tried to do was start it with a 9-volt battery, but I didn't have any luck with that, and I didn't want to force the tender off. And the seller was eager to sell, so I agreed with the price and brought it home. So let's see what else we got. Okay, so there's a Grumman J2F-6 duck. I think all the parts are in there. I haven't opened it. And there's another one, a Texan. This time it's testers. And another Airfix, a Chipmunk. And then he also had some rolling stock. 2 boxes are pretty heavy. And they were North American, but let's have a look and see. So there's a variety of stuff here. I think these are for containers. They're metal. Wheels need a little bit of a clean, but otherwise they're in great shape. A couple of different sizes there. And then these other different wagons. JCRR, MOW. They've been weathered. Not familiar with this type of stuff. C and EI. Might be ore that they've got in there, I'm not really sure, but the load's been added in. Michigan Central. And some loads have been made. That's a pretty good job of doing that. Coffee sticks, obviously being at Starbucks or someplace. And this one here, another flat car. Yeah. And the second box, well, look, there's a crane. JCRR. I'll need to find out who that is, but it's weathered. Looks pretty good. There's another one of these container carriers. I assume that's where it is. Yeah, they're metal. And here we go, Canada Southern RY Railway. Just not familiar with these at all. This one's heavily weathered. Ore or coal, I'd say. I will look up this JCRR to see where that's from. Wells Flip. Oh, Wells Fargo and Company. Must be delivering the paychecks. The Milwaukee Road. Another one of these JC Railroad things. So, all in all, that was a good score. Of course, I was really interested in the Duke of Sutherland, but the whole thing came together, and I'll try and see if there's anybody interested in picking these up. As I wouldn't generally run North American trains, but I might just put one together just to let people see it. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed that. Remember to give me the big thumbs up. You know how it works. And if there's anything here you're interested in, please let me know. So here's the maintenance sheet for R396 39604. I guess it was made in August 81. And there's the box. And there's the loco, 5541. So I got this, as you saw, in the box with a number of other items. It was a great deal. And when I got it back here to the station, I thought, okay, let's get some lubrication on the wheels. And I took the body off a tender and I oiled and greased the locations in there as per the directions. I'm sure you're all familiar with this, so I don't need to get into any detail on it, but yeah, just as you see here. So I also gauged the wheels, so let's see what it will do. Because when I picked it up, I had a 9-volt battery with me, but I couldn't get it started. Okay, so get the power on, and maybe it needs a little bit. Yeah, there you go. That's pretty good. Probably just needs a run in. The front bogie wheels were pretty black. I'm not really sure why that was. Nice little model. Now, interestingly, I've got another one right there. So I'm not really sure what I'm going to do now. I'll probably end up selling one of them because I don't need two. Or do I? Just take a closer look here. I think the one step on the other side is broken. And that's kind of typical with these older models. Now, I think somebody added this guard on because I don't think that's prototypical. I'll actually have a look up here, and as you can see, there is no fence there. So somebody's added that on. I can soon get rid of that. Not a problem. Yeah, you just never know what you're going to find. See if we can zero in here. There you go. Duke of Sutherland. Anyway, great find, and another addition to the fleet. But as I said, yeah, I've got two of them. If you've got any interest in this particular model or that one there, let me know and we'll work something out. Remember to give me the big thumbs up, you know how it works. And we'll catch you next time here at Partickhill Station. Bye for now.